Articles. What are articles? Articles are small but important words that come before nouns. They help us understand whether we are talking about something general or something specific. There are two types of articles: indefinite articles, an, and the definite article, the. Indefinite articles used when talking about something general or not specific. Definite article used when talking about something specific that both the speaker or listener know. Indefinite articles an used when talking about something general or not specific. A used before words that start with a consonant sound. For example, I saw a dog in the park. It means any dog, not a specific one. N used before words that start with a vowel sound. For example, I ate an apple for breakfast. It means any apple, not a specific one. There are some examples for indefinite articles. For example, she bought a book from the store. We need a chair for the table. She saw an elephant at the zoo. She had an idea about the project. Definite article there used when talking about something specific that both the speaker and listener know. The is used first when both the speaker and listener know what is being talking about. For example, I saw the movie you recommended. Second, when there is only one of something. For example, the sun is shining. And third, before superlative adjectives. For example, this is the best pizza ever. Now there are some examples for definite article. Turn off the light before you leave. I put the keys on the table. The moon looks bright tonight. The president gave a speech yesterday. She is the fastest runner on the team. That was the most exciting game of the season. Now let's practice articles. In these exercises, you must put articles in the brackets. For example, I ate, you must put article and orange. She has dog. Look at moon. He found book on the table. Sun is very bright today. What are the articles? And now, if you put articles in the brackets, let's check. I ate an orange. She has a dog. Look at the moon. He found a book on the table. The sun is very bright today. And we have common mistakes and special cases. What are these mistakes and the cases? Now let's define. A or N. Choosing A or N doesn't depend on spelling, but on the sound of the word that follows. What matters is whether the word begins with a vowel sound or consonant sound. Common mistakes. Not an hour. An hour is right. The word hour starts with the vowel sound hour because the H is silent. That is why we use N instead of A. Not an university, right? A university. The word university starts with a consonant sound, university, though it begins with the letter U. That is why we use A instead of N. The article there with country names. Some country names need there while others don't. The key rule is the type of name, not the country itself. Single word countries. Most single word countries do not use the. For example, France, Japan. Not the France, not the Japan. Plural and descriptive country names. Countries with plural forms, for example, the Netherlands, the Philippines. Descriptive names, the United States, the United Kingdom. So, no article is necessary before plural nouns when talking about a group or category of people, animals, or things. For example, common mistake. I like the cats, it's mistake. I like cats, talking about cats in general. The books are useful, it is mistake. Books are useful, talking about books in general. And now, let's do quiz. Now, what is the article, A or N? Elephant is drinking water. Now let's check. An elephant is drinking water. Okay, now next. A or the. Park near my house has lots of trees. Let's check. The park near my house has lots of trees. A or N. It takes hour and 30 minutes to get to school. Remember the rules. Yes, it takes an hour and 30 minutes to get to school. The or no article. I love animals. Is that right? I love animals. So you don't use an article in this sentence. A or the. United Kingdom is cold in the winter. Is that right? The United Kingdom is cold in the winter. Okay.